Welcome to the HAL APS channel. In this video, you will see how HAL APS presents the work schedule of machine and human resources on a Gantt chart. The y-axis contains resources, the x-axis is the timeline. By selecting a date range in the calendar, you can view tasks in any time horizon. By moving the cursor over any object on the Gantt, you can observe preceding and following operations. Sometimes operations are in a row, sometimes they are a simple sequence. Each time, you see specific information about the process, for example operation number, quantity to be produced. By dragging the time axis, you can freely enlarge and reduce objects on the Gantt. By changing the type of the Gantt chart, you can observe the level of inventory on resources. On batch resources, the batch is summed up. There are many ways to manipulate the displayed content so that it is more friendly to the production planner and allows easy and quick access to information. You can also move the time axis left and right. You can enable tooltips and display details related to a given object on the Gantt chart. Time parameters such as queue time, setup matrix time, unit process time, waiting time, shift time to the next operation. You can track complete information about the source of demand, whether you are producing to stock, to forecast or to customer order. You are able to track the technological operation within the production order, as well as information about the BOM, about the technological route. If you have changed a resource, you will find out on which resource the operation was originally planned. This is probably the most user-friendly Gantt. And very efficient. For more information on HAL APS, including our list pricing, please visit the HAL APS web page. If you're looking to learn more about using HAL APS, our YouTube channel offers a vast selection of tutorial videos.